Welcome to Pasta Fazool. Today we have a request, and the request is spaghetti alla puttanesca. So stick around because this sauce is going to be one heck of a sauce, I tell you. I'll see you in a bit. Welcome back. Today we have a request, and this sauce, it's very famous in southern Italy. In fact, how famous is this? I'm going to tell you how famous this is. I see this beautiful young lady standing at the corner over there. Beautiful, she looks so pretty. And I went up to her and I said, "Hello lady, how about a nice sauce for my spaghetti?" And that's how Puttanesca came about. No. I'm going to tell you the story how it really happened, okay? The story of the Puttanesca sauce has nothing to do with prostitutes or anything, although the story might be related, you know, in a way, but it's not. How does this happen? There was, I think this guy's name was San Tropetti or something, in some Ischia, little island next to Naples, had a restaurant, and how to get some people to his restaurant. So what he did, he came up with this beautiful sauce with anchovies. By the way, let me show you how it's going to be made. It's going to have anchovies, it's going to have capers, it's going to have olives. Well, these olives are calamata olives, okay? See the calamata olives? Okay? Now, I know you see a lot of videos over there, and they're all making it with black olives. No. The original one's made with calamata olives and garlic, some fresh San Marzano tomatoes, and maybe some salt. Not too much salt because since the anchovies had salt, so the capers and the calamata olives, maybe you don't put that much salt. But anyway, what happened, he made this tomato sauce, and it kind of made the people turn around and smelled it from far away, and kind of lured people to his restaurant. The same thing as a prostitute, right? Prostitute stands in a corner, and the way she looks and the way she moves and pretty and gets her customers to come over. The same thing with this guy, but we did it with tomato sauce, and it was so good, such a big hit, that he gave it a name. It's like the putana of the tomatoes, of the tomato sauce. The horror of the tomato sauce is so good that it just lures people in. That's how the Puttanesca all started. But anyway, with all that said, I hope I'm saying the right thing, I don't know. Anyway, that's how it goes. And let me show you how it goes. First thing I do, my Puttanesca, by the way, it's not like a lot of restaurants, they make the Puttanesca really quick and fast. They put the anchovies and capers in the olives and they put it together. They have the spaghetti cooking 1, 2, 3, it's done. No. To me, the Puttanesca has to cook at least 45 minutes. It's like a meat sauce. That the longer it cooks, the better it tastes, the better the smell is strong, and just becomes a Puttanesca. So here we go. So first thing we do is we turn this on. Okay. Put some olive oil. Okay, some fresh olive oil. Get some garlic. Maybe 3 pieces of olives. I'm not saying garlic. Some garlic. Okay. You don't have to chop them really thin, just roughly chopped. Not big. Okay. On the side, and a couple of pieces of anchovies, not that many. The anchovies, now you say, oh my gosh, anchovies. You know what? Anchovies, if you cook it right, look at me. If you cook the anchovies right, that anchovy is going to melt in the olive oil. You don't even know. You're not even going to know that the anchovies are in there. I mean, it's going to have a nice taste. You don't know where it's going to come from, but it's certainly not going to taste like anchovies. So, you know what? I'm going to put a couple more pieces in there. Okay? And here we go. Put them together because the anchovies and the garlic will go together. Okay. we'll cook this together. You're going to see the anchovies, slow with this a little bit, kind of disappearing in the sauce. Kind of disappear. I'm going to put a little more anchovies because the anchovies is going to kind of disappear in the tomato sauce. I'm going to cook this for about 45 minutes. So, trust me, the anchovies, you're hardly going to taste it. But you have to put it in there because that's how the recipe goes. At the same time, I'm going to put some capers in there. Small capers, better. Okay. Capers, very important. And some calamata olives. Now these olives are totally different from the black ones. See, they're kind of red, and it's got that kind of a bitter taste. But you know what? It's so delicious, and it's just perfect for this sauce. Okay. These are known as calamata olives. See, let me show you. See, calamata olives. Okay, they're like red. They're pitted, you know. They're no pit there. I slice them up. I'll put about 4 or 5. Slice them in there. Throw that in there. Rub it together. Once you have this sauce together, as you can see, the anchovies, they're almost gone. See, it became like a sauce. The anchovies is gone. By the time it cooks, about 45 minutes, the anchovies is going to blend into the tomato sauce. You're not even going to notice there's anchovies in there. But just this beautiful smell from the tomato sauce and Puttanesca sauce. Okay, so once we got this going, we get these tomatoes now. Some are tomatoes. Some you're going to crush in hand, okay? Some you crush, and some just leave whole. Because by the time it cooks 45 minutes, okay, you're gonna kind of break up with the tomato sauce. And this is the actual Puttanesca sauce. After, I say 40-45 minutes cooking in there, it's gonna give out this fantastic smell. You don't have to put any wine in here or anything like that. No oregano, no spices, just this right here, okay? But we let this cook for, say, about, like I said, 45 minutes. And then we're gonna put it together with some spaghetti. So I'll see you in a little bit. Hello there again. Yeah, I know, I'm always cleaning. But anyway, as soon as this tomato sauce comes up to a boil, let me show you, see? The boil's there, see? That's wonderful. Then what we do is put a little water in here, right? Okay. And we bring it up, we bring it down to a simmer. It's 5 now, so we'll bring it down to 3. And we'll let it simmer for about 40 minutes. Every once in a while, you know, give it a little spin. If it gets too dried up, add a little bit more, you know, a little more water in there so we're too dried up. And at the end, we're gonna fix it up with a little salt, if it needs any. We'll taste it and we'll finish it off. So just a little bit. Okay. All right, so we're back here. Let me show you something. Something went crazy over here, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now, when you see the tomato sauce a little dry like this, see this? A little dry. You can always add a little bit more water to it. You know, we're almost there. We're about 10 minutes away from the sauce being good. All right. And you know what? We're gonna give it a taste. See how this is. And yeah, okay. See how this is. Sure. Like always, you know, I always find spoons and everything here, right? I don't use a fork. It's all right. Okay, now adding a little sugar. It's not gonna take the acidity out, but it's certainly gonna make it a little sweeter, and it's gonna taste a lot better. And you gotta use your kidneys. All right. Yeah. Okay. Very good. So we'll taste it again and see if it's sweet enough. Sometimes you gotta put a little bit. Beautiful. I know I double dip. It's my sauce. I can do what I want. I'm gonna be eating. Okay. So And yeah, you know, I wish you guys could really smell this because the smell is so. Here, let me listen. I tell you know, get a little bit of olive oil, right? A little more olive oil. Olive oil never does anything more. It just gives it more taste. It's fantastic. You know, I wish you guys could all taste this. And it's like that taste in Naples. It gives you that Naples taste. Oh, that's cute. Come here, let me show you. Come here. I got an audience today, by the way. Look, okay? My dance, come here. Say hello, say hello. Hello. It's my wife, say hello. Alright, that's good. Alright, look, I want you to taste the sauce, alright? How you like that dancing, huh? It's pretty good?
Oh my gosh.
See? Now you're in my video again. Alright, here, I want you to taste this. Tell me how it is, alright?
With the fork.
You want to taste it with a fork?
Yes.
Oh, okay, then I gotta give you another fork then. Oh, Madonna mia. Okay, oh, excuse me.
No, with the spoon.
Oh, I know, but I don't have a spoon. I lost one myself.
With
Here, taste it, see if you like it. Huh?
It's too hot.
Oh, okay, well, I'm not gonna blow on it. Oh! Put that away, let's go. So that's ready? This kind of song makes you kind of dance, you know? That was Dino D'Angelo, by the way. I love that guy. I love his music. Anyway, back to the sauce again. And how do you like it? Pretty good?
That's
Okay, so now I'm going to finish this off. I'm going to cook some spaghettis and I'm going to finish this off and we'll be right back. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, the sauce should be done. Let me show you, see? It's simmering out now, baby. That's nice. Simmering out. And it's just perfect. I tasted it. It's just great. I'm going to shut this off. That's done. And got the water boiling over here with the spaghetti. I'm going to throw some salt in here. Give it a taste of the water for the spaghetti. I say about, yeah, a tablespoon and a half. And yeah, spaghetti. I'm going to cook about, say about 6 ounces of spaghetti. And yeah. Okay, we're back, and the spaghettis are done. Come here, let me show you. Let me shut this off. They should be done by now. You don't want to overcook them. You like the spaghetti al dente. Yep. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay. This is what I do. I use a little bit of sauce. Okay, on the bottom. I'm going to saute it first a little bit. With the what do you got? Okay, here it is. With the sauce, that beautiful Puttanesca sauce. You saute the sauce a little bit. Saute the spaghetti inside the sauce. Saute. What does saute mean? Saute in Italian really means saltare. Saltare. That means you make something jump. You're making the spaghetti saltare. Saute in the spaghetti. That the word comes from saltare. That's why they say saute. See? So you saute, saltare the pasta. See? And okay, we're gonna plate this up now. Got a few left over here. We don't want to lose the spaghetti, of course, because I come from Naples, but I'm a spaghetti eater. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna. Oh, you know what? Do like this. Ooh, a mess. Don't want to make a mess. Yeah, spin it a little bit so you don't make a mess. Okay. What is that? Okay, this is on the side. And we put a little bit of that Puttanesca sauce on it. Look at that. That came out beautiful. A little Puttanesca sauce on top. This smells fantastic. Put a little bit of pecorino romano. This calls for a little pecorino romano. You could use the Reggiano if you want, but this particular spaghetti Puttanesca needs, you need to put the pecorino romano. So a little bit of pecorino romano. lot of cheese. And that's it. How's that? Now I'm gonna give it a taste. Oh yeah. Oh, wow. Come here. Come here. I want you to try this. Come here. I'm gonna invite my wife over again to see what she says about the spaghetti.
Okay.
Say hello again. Hello there.
Hello.
Ciao, dici ciao a tutti. Come state tutti?
Ciao. Saluti a tutti.
Say hello to everybody. Okay, now taste spaghetti. Okay, and you tell me what you think about what this is. Taste it. Wow, by the way, wow, look here. I got some wine too. How is it? You're making a mess out of yourself.
Oh yeah, I know.
How's that?
Very good.
Very
wow.
good, huh? You approve? Alright, so
Wow.
let's make a chin over here.
Buonissimi.
Make a chin over here. Salud.
Wow, very good.
This is pasta Fazool. Thank you for being
I
with us.
love
Huh? Did you have? Huh? Did you like it or what? Was it great
Yes.
or what? I had a great time. This time I really had a good time. We danced a little bit, huh? We had fun, huh?
Yeah.
We'll do it again. Chin chin. Salud.
Salute.
See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe now. Subscribe.
Ciao.
Bye. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao. Where is the customers in? Well, this guy did the same thing, only it was with tomato sauce. It smelled so good and my telephone is ringing again! Oh, son of a bitch! Alright, this is spaghetti alla puttanesca. So stick around because we're going to have fun making this delicious plate. Stick right back. Come right back. Bye. I have a request. A request for spaghetti alla puttanesca. It's a heck of a... Hi there. Go back.